What's good, Tampa Bay and the whole state of Florida? Three Kings alongside with iVisionTV.net, Billionaire Productions, and Crunk City Entertainment presents White Noise, a Pase celebration. It's going down October 4th from 7:30 p.m. to 3 a.m. That's two events hosted on the same day by the best entertainment groups. First is the formal all-white dinner banquet at the University of South Florida's Banquet Hall in the Marshall Student Center, room 2100 at 7:30 p.m. We'll be serving Haitian food with live performances by Bien Vague Boys, and G West and others. Immediately preceding the banquet is the formal all-white after party at the Boys Club on Fowler, music provided by Three Kings. Tickets are $10 in advance, which includes the dinner banquet and after party. Tickets are limited, so get yours now. Please dial the number on the bottom of your screen for more info.